Which of the following statement is or are correct for joining processes? A. In case of soldering and brazing, the filler material has a melting point lower than that of the metal joint. Yes, this is the correct option, because this allows the filler material to melt and flow into the joints. Without melting the base metal. The key difference between the soldering and brazing is the temperature at which the process occurs. Soldering is typically occurs at temperature of 450 degrees Celsius, whereas brazing is above 450 degrees Celsius. So this is correct option. In tungsten inert gas welding, tungsten is a filler material. So this is wrong. Tungsten is not a filler material, neither it is a consumable electrode. Friction welding is a solid state joining process. Yes, this is correct. The following reaction is associated with the thermit welding. No, this is wrong, because in thermit welding the reaction is Fe2O3 plus aluminium gives rise to Fe plus Al2O3 plus heat. That heat helps to melting of Fe and joining. So this is also wrong. So for this question, A and C is the correct answer.